Be honest. Have you ever said, I did a mistake in English?
Or maybe I do mistakes sometimes?
I said both, for years, in emails, in meetings, out loud.
If you have ever been unsure, make or do, this episode is for you.
Today, final answer, forever. I'm Jay.
I'm Mira. Welcome to Talk Mira. We are just starting this journey, and if this episode helps you, subscribing is the best way to support us.
Real English, every week. Let's go. Today, make versus do. One topic, 3 real situations. By the end, you will know exactly which one to use. Every time. No guessing.
And we have a rule today that makes this so easy. You will wonder why nobody told you this before. Jay, tell me about your week.
Oh, it was rough. I did a big mistake at work on Monday.
Wait,
What?
keep going. I want everyone to hear the full picture.
So, I did a mistake. Then I tried to do a good decision to fix it. But then I did another mistake.
3 times, in 4 sentences.
I thought I was being consistent.
Consistently wrong.
Let me try again. I made a big mistake at work on Monday. I tried to make a good decision to fix it, but then I made another mistake.
Now that sounds natural.
Same story, completely different English.
One word. Make instead of do. That's the whole fix. Look, make and do are 2 of the most confusing words in English. Not because learners are careless, but because in many languages, there is one word for both. You have been working with a missing piece this whole time. Today, we give you that piece.
So, how do I know which one to use? Because honestly, they both just mean do something to me.
That's exactly the problem. They feel the same, but they work differently. Here's how I think about it.
Tell me.
Think of a builder and a cleaner. The builder makes things. He creates something that wasn't there before. The cleaner does things. She completes tasks, finishes work that needs to happen.
So, make is the builder, creating something new. Do is the cleaner, finishing a task.
Exactly. So, make a mistake. You created something that wasn't supposed to be there.
I'm a very productive builder then.
The most productive builder I know.
What about decisions? Because I always mix that one up.
Make a decision. You're building something in your mind, creating a choice that didn't exist before.
And do homework?
Cleaning job. Completing a task that already exists. Do the dishes. Do your homework. Do exercise.
Wait, do exercise? Not make exercise?
Do exercise. Because exercise is a task you complete. But make an effort. Because effort is something you create from nothing.
That one hurts my brain a little.
Builder or cleaner. Every time. Ask yourself, am I creating something new or completing something that already exists?
Builder creates, cleaner completes. Got it.
Jay, what are you doing after this episode?
Honestly, I need to make a few calls, do some emails, and I have to make a decision about something at work.
All correct. Just like that?
Make calls, creating a conversation. Do emails, completing a task. Make a decision, building a choice.
And if something goes wrong?
Then I'll make a mistake, build something I didn't want to build, and then do my best to fix it.
Everyone, notice what just happened. Jay used make for everything he was creating. Calls, decisions, mistakes. And do for the task he was completing. Emails. Builder and cleaner. Quick fix time. Wrong. I did a mistake. I do decisions. I did a plan. Right. I made a mistake. I make decisions. I made a plan. Remember, builder or cleaner. Creating something new, make. Completing a task, do. Make and do have confused English learners for decades. Knowing the difference now puts you ahead of most.
Next time you're not sure, don't guess. Ask yourself, builder or cleaner? 2 seconds. Right answer every time.
And if today helped, subscribing takes 1 second, and it genuinely means the world to us. We make this for you every single week.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira.
Keep talking, keep growing. This is Talk Mira.
Keep talking, keep growing. This is Talk Mira.